Obaseki Cari Waka go visit the family of late Uwaila Omozuwa, give Christmas food to Orphanage. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki visit the family of late Uwaila Omozuwa and some orphanage homes. Him tell residents to take advantage of the Christmas season to show love to the less privileged for the society. Late Uwaila be the 100 level for Uniben be they read microbiology, where bad people got by her the year 2020 for inside one church for Benin.
Of her, the country has taken the issue of gender-based violence very seriously. In different states, federal government taking very stern actions against such crime, she said. And I think it's important that we keep our spirit alive.
Obaseki tell Nigerians to show love during the celebration.
At this time of the year where we are celebrating Christmas, I think our emphasis should be on those who are vulnerable, those who are not as strong, that we should extend fellowship, extend the spirit of the season of joy, peace, happiness to those who may not be as fortunate as us at this time. That is why we have gone around as much as we can to physically visit orphanages, friends, people who have had challenges, and at this time of the year they are sitting back to reflect on the past in anticipation of the future. Just look around you, look at those who are not as fortunate, those who may not have found food, those who are in pain, those who are in distress. Look around, and if you can lend a helping hand, please do. That is the spirit of Christmas.
Papa of late Uwaila, John Omozuwa, thank Obaseki for him fight against gender-based violence for the state. Say the help of state governments don't help heal the pain of Uwaila deaths. From Benin, Osarugwe Monday for TMC News.